Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy and healthy. Today we are talking about the fact that you are doing a lot of research and why is it getting you nowhere. Now I am going to share more about our company, what we do before we dive into today's video. If you're new to the channel, you don't know who I am. I've been in this industry for over 12 years at this point, running my own juice concepts, as well as supporting hundreds of people all over the world, launch and scale juice bars, smoothie bars, acai bowl businesses, juice trucks, you name it, we've done it. All the information on this channel comes from this wealth of experience. Early invitation, subscribe to the channel, press the like button. That way you like the video actually even more. I promise you will. Now let's dive into today's topic of conversation. So you are watching this YouTube channel, maybe you listen to our podcast, maybe you're reading blogs, and you've been thinking about this business for a while. I talk to people all the time and I'm like, hey, how long have you been thinking about starting a juice business? And some people tell me a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And I'm like, wow, that's a really, really long time. What stopped you from continuing? And there's a lot of things that stop us, okay? One of them, and the biggest one, is fear. Fear manifests in different ways. It manifests as I don't have enough time. It manifests as I don't have enough information, which is a lot of what I'm going to talk about today too. And it's this process of analysis paralysis. You never feel like you have enough information. Why? Because information is infinite, right? We live in the age of information. So it's very easy to feel like you never have enough of it. But the truth is that you really need commitment. You need to know when you have enough information, when it's time to move forward, and to know that you will find the things out that you need to know when you need to know them. Okay? The big difference between people who are successful and people who are not is partially information, and it is, but that's not the big factor because the information is out there. You can find it if you really want to know it. It's the people who take action. Okay? So do not allow yourself to be in a place where you let your fear manifest as the idea that I never have enough information and I'm going to just keep researching until it's too late. You need to take action. It's time to actually move forward. If you've been thinking about this for a long time, you got to really get real with yourself and ask, are you really going to move forward with this business or not? That's the question. And information is not your issue. Sometimes it is, and if you're new, you just started researching, definitely do your due diligence, learn about the business, hop on a call with me, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll answer all the questions that you need to know in terms of getting to the next steps really fast. You won't need to spend the next 10 years of your life trying to do background checks. I think a lot of times what we're doing is we're getting ourselves excited, we're like having the vision, we're having to build that energy up, which is okay too, right? If you're not committed to it, just be clear about that. But if you've reached the expiry date, right, on the information that you need to gather, don't let this vision die out because you just thought you didn't know enough or when really deep down you were just scared to commit. Get the support that you need, get the information that you need when you need it. Reach out to me personally. Once again, Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. We have a complete development firm and consulting agency specifically focused on people who want to open juice companies, smoothie bars, acai bowl businesses, etc. So we can get you to where you need to be if you're committed. That's the most important thing. So I hope this has been helpful. I just wanted to, sometimes I make content about very specific information in the industry, and sometimes I feel like I just need to make something, just giving you guys a little bit of a kick in the butt so you guys move in the right direction because your neighborhood needs it, you need it. Obviously, you want your life to be different. You want to be doing something different. You don't want to do something that's not fulfilling you, that's not making you the kind of money that you believe you should be making. There's many people doing it. Obviously, we've got lots of clients that are doing it, so it's possible. You can too. You just have to put your foot in the right direction and take action. That's all for today. Follow us on Instagram @StartAJuiceBar. We have a podcast on Spotify, on iTunes. It's called the Juice Bar Experts Podcast. Really easy to find. And then lastly, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed to the channel, we're going to have a problem. I'm going to know it's you. I'm going to know. So subscribe to the channel. Questions or comments, you know where they go below. Until next time, that's all for today. Wishing you guys a lot of success. Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. See you soon. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you're inspired to learn even more about how to start your juice business from scratch, for you, we have a free ebook. It's called the 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Business. And this is going to go through a high-level overview, through a step-by-step process on how you get your business off the ground. Everything from, branding, menu development, finding the right location, and more. This is going to be a clear roadmap so you know how to go from where you are all the way to opening your store. If you want to go even deeper, we've also created an online course. It's called the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great depth on everything from how do you put together and think about recipe development? How do you cost out your menu and what's the math around it? What equipment do you need? How do you design your store? How do you find the right location? And so much more. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of both of these. There's links in the description below. So I hope to see you guys at the next video and enjoy.